All right, mailman just showed up with a box I've been expecting from Ignik. It's a company out of Seattle that I met at Outdoor Retailer, and they provide a pretty cool product that is going to help not only save the environment, but make camp cooking for me a lot more convenient. So I know a lot of you guys are familiar with those green Coleman 1-pound propane bottles. You usually see those all over the campsites because they're single use. Well, this new product from Ignik in this padded insulated case is a 5-pound propane bottle that's refillable and reusable. So no more of the green 1-pound cans that you need to dispose of. And as far as I know, I'm going to go head into town and get this filled up, but my guess is it costs $1 or $2 to fill up with propane. Comes with a 4-foot hose to attach to your camp stove or whatever propane accessory you have, and it comes with this cool padded case that neatly fits the container in there. Doesn't wiggle around or anything, so you can throw it in your vehicle. I could possibly be mounting this tank not in the container itself, but on the back of the FJ, because I have a propane bracket. It's a nice tight fit. I have a propane bracket that I can mount it to, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So we head over here to our new Overland vehicle. I just mounted this bracket right here, and it will hold the tank just like that on the back of the vehicle. So I could essentially just strap it right here and then hook my hose right up to it and go to our stove either in the back of the FJ or on a table nearby. So those are some other mounting options that we will look into. So off to Ace Hardware to fill this bad boy up. Alright, well that was painless. Filled up the 5-gallon tank, and it cost a whopping $2.95. So that should last me, I would say, most of the summer, if not the entire summer. Which is way more economical than these guys that are filling up the landfills. So I'll be able to deep six those and use the 5-pounder for the next 12 years. So it's good for the environment, and it's more convenient for me and much cheaper. So win-win-win. All right, so I just got home and I'm gonna test out the new Ignik Growler and make sure it works with our Cook Partner stove. Got this already hooked up. Gas is on. Lovely. So, good to go. No more of these.